Hello, this is Patricia with the Crazy Cat Lady Crochet and Crafts. How are you doing today? In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the single crochet back loop only stitch. And this right here is just a sample of it. It is used for, you can use it for like your wristbands on sweaters, waistbands on a sweater. You can use it on the headband for a hat. If you turn it horizontally, you can use it as a texture stitch for like clothing, or if you want to make a cup warmer, this would be like a nice stitch to use maybe for like a manly texture or any texture, any genre of texture, but it's not a frilly texture, it's just a different type of texture. So what it basically is that you are crocheting in the back loop of the single crochet. So when the single crochet is facing you, let's see, where did I leave off on this at? Okay. So when I was crocheting this, I would hold it like this. Let me get that strand out of the way. There we go. There's the V. Back here is your back loop. Up here is your front loop. And you would stick your hook, insert your hook. For the first stitches, I always lay it sideways. Insert your hook into the back loop. And then do your regular single crochet stitch. And it's not a really hard stitch to do at all. Just remembering to insert your hook into the back loop. So how do you set it up? You have your single crochet. Of course, this is 10, I did like 10 stitches and then single crocheted on the way back. And then I chained one. I chained one and turned. Get my yarn here. So to start off, I usually hold it like this at first to get the first stitch or two going. So you stick your hook in the back loop. Then you just do your single crochet. And get all wound up on me. There we go. Pull it tight. So here you can see just insert your hook into the back loop. And I'll do this down to the end of the line. And if I wasn't doing this around a tripod and a camera, it would probably look a lot neater. There we go. Back loop. And the back loop. Insert. Do your single crochet. Now this right here, the last stitch, is what usually gets me. You want to catch that stitch right there. There we go. Sometimes you have to work it. Sometimes you have to work for it. And then once you get your single crochet done, just chain one and turn. And then just start again in the next row. And the abbreviation for this is SCBLO. Single crochet in the back loop only. And what I like about it is that it's flexible. That's my favorite feature. It's how it expands like that. So that was my demonstration of the single crochet in the back loop only. I hope that you enjoyed this demonstration and that I made it simple enough that you can do it by watching and then doing it yourself. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to get more videos from me, please subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified when I'm uploading new videos, please click on the bell. Thank you for spending this time with me. Have a good day.